Hey guys, we're back with another iPhone 16 Pro video, and today we're going to be talking about the calculator app. You know, they added a new cool feature that I really love, and it's a converter for currency. So within the calculator, let me start from the beginning. So say I'm here on the home screen. By default, the calculator comes in the utilities folder. I'll go ahead and open calculator. Once I open calculator, you'll see on the very corner, you go to the bottom and you'll see convert. So go ahead and push convert. And now it'll allow you to put in two different countries. So say I'm going on vacation to, let's see, where am I going to go vacation to? Say I'm going to Italy and they use euros. So I want to see how much is 1,000 US dollars in euros, and that's 919. Now, say the next place I go is Japan. So then I'm going to go ahead, push the Japanese yen, and that equates to 158,571 Japanese yen. So you can really play around with this. And it's based off of Yahoo Finance. So if you're like a serious trader, forex trader, maybe you don't like to rely on Yahoo Finance for this kind of information. But if you're an average Joe Schmo that's just trying to convert some money, maybe you're going someplace, then yeah, you can actually use this and it's not bad. You know, there's like some more options, but then, you know, energy, I haven't even gotten into this, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. Calories into foot pound. You know, I'm going to just say convert for Forex for now in this video. And yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool little feature. Go ahead and try this at home, currency, and see if it helps. All right, guys. I hope this video helps and see you next time. Bye-bye.